Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO M8 Pro and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. And just go to your contacts, and for some reason I do not have my contacts here. That's okay, just give me a second, I will create one. Alright, so we've got our contact and let's start by tapping on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon here in the right upper corner. And as you can see, we've got something called picture and calling card. And I will focus on picture as we want to add the photo, the contact photo. However, I really highly recommend customizing also the calling card, because this is basically the background of the which will be displayed on the full screen of your device when this person will call. So for example, you can set the profile picture and in the background, for example, your favorite place or favorite food or whatever you're connecting with that person. I hope that you know what I mean. So highly recommend that. However, as I said, I will focus on the picture. So just tap on this circle option, and here we've been transferred to different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So first of all, device photos. It is divided into gallery and camera. By tapping on the gallery, we can choose something from our own photos. By tapping on the camera, we can open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos, which are our backed up photos, so I will simply omit that and go straight to the Monogram. So here we can tap on the circle and we can use 2 letters or 1 letter, it's up to you. And we can change the background color. As you can see, we've got plenty of options, and change the font. So you can choose the bigger one, the bolder one, the italics, whatever. But also, instead of using the Monogram, we can also use emoji. So let's tap on emoji. As you can see, right now we've got the flower, but of course we can change it. Just tap on it, and here we've got all of the emojis which you can imagine, which you can use, obviously. So I'll pick maybe this horse. We've got it applied. Again, we can change the background color, and we can either use the emoji itself, so it will look like emoji, or we can make it more like icon, just by using this monochrome option. Tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it is like icon. And we can also use illustrations, which are free of charge, and they are available online. So if you do not have a photo, you don't feel like using Monogram or emoji, you can find something here for sure. You've got animals, you've got different sports, nature, a lot of things here. As you can see, you can just scroll down, or you can search illustrations, so you can find something which resembles you about the person. So I'll pick maybe this husky. So here we've got also the presets. You can change the colors which are applied to the photo. Moreover, we can crop the picture, and it is the same for the, for example, photo from your gallery. You are able to zoom in or out the photo. You can change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Then tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list. And finally, we've got all of the contacts which are associated with my with our Google account. But I wanted to just tell you that that it is visible on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.